Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Solana Sol coin, and I am definitely going to tell you my next long duration targets, my next medium duration targets, and my next immediate short term target for this coin right now. So please watch this video complete and please thumbs up the like button. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description. Here you can see it is currently trading at 13.5 and dollars price, and it is the page of CoinGecko of Solana, and current rank of this token is this coin is 22, and this is the market cap, this is the 24-hour low and high price, this is the trading volume and circulating supply, and this is the website of this coin. Once you click on this link, this will lead you to the website. You have to visit this website and you have to read this project by yourself, and you have to read it carefully. Please read this and please visit this website, and please read this project before investing, because cryptocurrency is very risky and very volatile. I will not responsible any of your investment or trading loss, because this is not a trading or investment advice, and this video is just for entertainment and educational purpose. And this is the website you can visit. And build crypto apps that scale. Solana is a fast, secure, and censorship-resistant blockchain providing the open infrastructure required for global adoption. And here you can see the total transaction in their network. And let me please show you some. These are the partners, and try to break Solana. Solana can process 50k transaction per second. Don't believe us? Stress test the network to experience Solana's speed for yourself. And this is some pictures, and you can visit and you can analysis to say goodbye to the high fees and slow confirmations. Solana is built for speed without trade-offs. Scalable, low cost, composable. This is the website. And let me please show you some price statistics of this token, this coin right now. In 30 days, it gives 225% gain to its holders. This is very good gain just in 30 days. And it is market dominance of this token is 0.24, and this is good. And this is the market cap of this token 0.1088, and this is the 24-hour low and high prices. This is the 7-day low and high prices, and this is the current rank 22, and this is the all-time high of this token was at $18.12 just 3 days, and it was on February 24, 2021. All-time low was $0.5, and it gave on March 22, 2020, and it gives in 10 months 2,616% gain to its holder. This is very good profit, and that is why I am very sure that this token has very huge potential, and this token will blast, this token will explode, and this is going to create new all-time highs in this bull run and will give you maximum profit. But if you want to invest in this token, before investing, do your own research, and I will not responsible any of your loss. And these are some market pairs, and these are some exchanges where you can buy this token and where you can trade this buy this coin, and where you can trade this coin. Binance, OKX, Bitfinex, and Huobi Global, and some other major exchanges. And if you want to buy this token from Binance exchange, then let me please show you my affiliate link. This is my affiliate link. You can find this link within my video's description and within comment section. Just click on this link and create your account. If you want to support me, then create your account just in 30 seconds. And this is the Bybit link. If you want to create your Bybit link, Bybit exchange account, then click on this link and create your account and get $200 bonus, which is absolutely free, which is withdrawable, and which is tradable. But for this, only condition is that you have to deposit. And let me please show some statistics. Then I am going to show you the chart of this coin. Solana is building the architecture of their blockchain based on proof of history, a proof of verifying order and passage of time between events. The purpose of proof is used to encode the trust passage of time into a ledger. A proof of stake consists mechanism is then leveraged for confirmation of the current sequence produced by the proof of history generator. POS is also used for voting and selecting the next proof of history generator node and for pushing any validators that act against the interest of the network. Up to 7,010K transaction. 710K up to 710K transactions paid on 1 gigabyte network without data partitioning. This is the quality of this coin and this network and this project, because transactions are very fast and very cheap now. And proof of history encoding time as data is the replicated state allows for simple and efficient proof and protocols. You can read this information by your own self. Let's get into the chart. This is the SOL chart of 4-hour Binance. This is the all-time high of SOL chart on of Binance. It is at $18.2, $18.27, and now it is currently at $13.4. And this is the upper trend line, and this is the support line for the this coin, and it is at $13. And let me please change this color of this. Friends, keep supporting and please thumbs up the like button too. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term targets, and let me please show you some. These green lines are the support zone and support levels of this coin right now, and price is decreasing, and once it break this zone, and this is the zone where we saw a big support, once it broke this, then definitely it have to go to, let me please tell you my next target, but I think this is less likely. I think SOL should have to bounce back from that point and should have to hit this upper trend line, and then definitely it have to hit again $18. But if unfortunately or SOL break this downtrend line, down support line, sorry, then our next target, let me please tell you. Then our next target will be $7.7. I think this is not going to happen. This is very less likely. I think SOL have to break this, and SOL must have to pull back from that zone, and after that it should have to hit this, break this uptrend line, and should have to hit this zone, which is $18.2 or $18.3, and will create new all-time high after pulling this, after crossing this. This is my analysis. I think this is the immediate short-term target. All eyes are on this level, $13.5. If in any condition SOL close 4-hourly candle below this downtrend line, down support line, sorry, then this will be the indication that maybe it will go down to $9.8, maybe $8.4. These are the support levels, and last level is I think $7.5, and this is our last support zone. But I think it should have to move towards upside and will have to create new all-time high. And if this happens, then let me please tell you my long duration target for this token and medium duration target for this this coin, sorry. Friends, your support is like oxygen to me, and so please share this video to all of your friends and crypto community, and please like this video, and please join my Telegram channel. Link is in this video's description. Let me please arrange this chart. It will take some time, and it is currently in between these two Fibonacci levels, 0.78 to 0.61. Here you can see, and I think this is the next support according to the Fib retracement, 11.64, or you can say $11.65. I think this will be the right time to hold or buy this token. And after that, let me please tell you my next targets. Long duration and medium duration targets. I think this is the best time. which is at $11.5 is our I think the best level where you have to buy this token. This is not an investment advice. This is not a financial advice. This is just informational video, and this is just for entertainment purpose. I will not responsible any of your loss. So do your own research before investing in this project or in this coin. Let me please tell you my next target. Once we have to put our stop loss at $8.2. We have to buy it on this zone, which is at $11.5 or $11.6, and we have to put our stop loss at that zone, $8.2. Then our first target will give us 57% profit, and risk will be 30%, and our first reward will be 57%. This is our first target. Let me please tell you I think within 3 months Solana should have to hit this $46 price level, and I think it is a huge it is very good project and very strong team behind this, and I think it should have to hit within 6 months this level. Let me please show you. This is the target of 6 months. I think Solana should have to hit this zone, $75, and should have to give you 540%, and or maybe it will have to hit this zone. This is the last target, I think, within 2021 or maybe 1 year, 1 to 1.5 year. It should have to hit $80 price. This is my long duration target for the Solana right now. Solana must have to hit this zone within 1 to 1.5 years, and this is my target, $80. Within 1 year to 1.5 years, Solana should have to hit this $80 price level, and should have to give you 600% profit if you buy this from that zone, which is $11.55 price level, and if you put your stop loss at $8.2, then your risk will be just 30% and your reward will be 600%. This is the very realistic price prediction, I think, and it should have to hit this. And if you want to buy this token, or if you want to buy some major altcoins, then you can create your Binance account with my link. Click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Keep supporting me, friends. Take care.